you? How are you?
I am happy.
Are you hungry?
No.
No. No, only not nose. No.
No.
Yes. All right. Are you tired?
No.
No. What food do you like?
I like strawberry.
Strawberries?
Yeah.
Do you like ice cream?
Yeah.
What animals do you like?
I like.
I like meow. Do you like that?
I like.
Cats, dogs, kangaroo.
I like fish.
Fish?
Yeah.
Can you say the word I like fish?
I like fish.
What does the fish do? The fish can. What does the fish do? The fish can.
So.
What does the fish do? The fish can.
The fish can swim.
Swim. Very good. Do you like birds?
No.
Do you like cats?
No.
What does the cat say? What does the cat say?
Meow.
What does the dog say? Ruff, ruff. Okay, so today we will start our speaking test. Put your hands on the table, speak loudly. Okay? Loudly, Torin, okay? Alright, look at this picture. Elsa. Which place is this in your house? Is this a bedroom or a kitchen or a living room? This is a...
living room.
Very good. What can you see in the living room? I can see... Come on, faster.
I can see chair.
Chair.
I can see chair. I can see lamp. I can see.
Faster. I can see picture.
I can see picture. I can see TV. I can see
Sofa.
sofa. I can see
Table.
table.
I can see.
I can see car.
Yes, trucks. Trucks. I can see.
I can see baby.
I can see children.
I can see
Children.
children.
I can see toys.
I can see
I
toy.
can see
I can see window.
window. Very good. Now, remember the in, on, in front of, right? Behind, yes? Under, yeah? Next to, between, okay? Between. So, we will study that, okay? Look at this. Tell me what is it? It's a
It's a
chair.
chair.
Can you say it's
It's
a?
a chair.
Very good. Where is the chair? The chair is
A chair is
in front of the
in front of down.
door. Very good. Say the word door. 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 Put your hands on the table, Elsa. Look at me. Door. Yeah, the R sound. All right, now let's move on. How many trucks do you see?
I see
I see two.
two trucks.
Where are the two trucks? The two trucks are
Two trucks between
the
the
TV
TV
and
and table.
very good. Now, where is the window? The window
The window
is
is behind
behind the and
and
between
between
picture
picture lamp
and
and lamp.
very good. Okay, where are the two kids? Where are the children? They are
They are so far.
where are they? In, on, at?
They are
In?
in
Oh no, not in. In, on, next to, where are they? In or on the sofa? On the
sofa.
Okay, on the sofa. Where is the TV? The TV is
The TV is
where? Next to or in front? What? Where?
next to
Next to the
the
book.
books
Bookshelf. Shelf.
shelf.
Bookshelf.
Bookshelves.
Where is the baby? The baby
The baby
is
is
where?
the baby is
Where's the baby? Between, next, get in, on, in front, next to, under. Where is the baby?
baby is under.
Under, no. I think the baby is, look at this, the baby is next to
The baby is next to
the,
the TV.
okay, very good. Now let's move on to the second part. Can you choose one picture? Get one. What is it?
Is
Balloon.
balloon.
Put the balloon on the chair. On the chair. Okay, next.
Is glass.
Glasses. Put the eyeglasses or sunglasses under the baby. Under the baby. Under the baby. Under the baby. Under. Next. Put, what is it?
Is
An eraser.
an
Put the eraser next to, no, next to the TV. Next. Next. Get one.
is an
Egg.
egg.
Egg. Put the egg above the window. Above the window. Above. Say the word above.
Above.
Next. Basket.
Basketball.
Basketball. Put the basketball under the window. Under. Yes. Now, where is the egg? The egg is
Red is red
above.
above
Again. The egg above
the window.
the. Next. Basket.
Basketball.
Basketball. Under.
Basketball.
Under.
Under the flower.
Now, under the.
Window
Okay, next.
is
Balloon
balloon
on in.
on
What's the answer? On or in? On the.
in
No, in here. On
the on the tail.
Okay, next. What's this? What is this? What is this? Eraser. 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 Yes, eraser. Where's the eraser? What's the answer? In, on, in front of, next to, under. No. next to eraser, next to
TV
TV. Next,
is a glass.
glasses.
Glasses
In, on, in front, next to, under.
is
Glasses
glasses
are,
are in
no, not in front. In, on, in front, next to, under.
under
Under the,
the baby.
okay, under the baby. Okay, Elsa, you need to study more, okay?
Yeah.
Study hard because sometimes you cannot answer. Now we are finished. Say goodbye to teacher.
Goodbye, teacher.